Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Ever noticed how some people insult you for no reason? It's not about you, it's about them. In this video, you'll discover 25 powerful truths that reveal the psychology behind insults and teach you how to protect your peace, confidence, and self-respect forever. If people start insulting you for no reason, it says a lot about them, and nothing about you. Insults are confessions. They reveal more about the person throwing them than the one receiving them. Strong minds discuss ideas, weak minds discuss people. When they insult you without reason, it's because they can't reach you with logic. Silence is the best response to a fool. An insult is just a reflection of their own pain projected onto you. Psychology says, people who constantly insult others are masking insecurity. Don't wrestle with pigs. You both get dirty, and the pig likes it. Your peace is more valuable than their provocation. When you stay calm, you take away their power. They want a reaction. Don't give them what they want. Ignore them so hard they start doubting their existence in your life. Respect yourself enough to walk away from disrespect. What you allow will continue. Set boundaries. Not every opinion deserves your attention. People insult you when they can't control you. Psychology fact: projection is real, they see in you what they hate in themselves. Never argue with someone committed to misunderstanding you. Their words are a reflection of their character, not yours. Revenge isn't silence, success is. Protect your peace like it's your greatest treasure. Those who insult you now may secretly admire what they can't be. Don't take criticism from someone you wouldn't take advice from. When you rise above it, you show true strength. Insults fade, but self-respect lasts forever. Remember, your response defines you, their insult defines them. Never let anyone's words control your peace. If you're ready to protect your mind and take your power back, hit subscribe my channel here to keep you strong every single day.